Fine. So now you are able to see my screen now. So these are the desktop. These are the some issues you can see in the desktop as well. Accordingly, you can clear off with the developer. Okay, got it. So main thing is you need to understand these concepts first. That is called core web vital. So what we call it is core web vitals. So you need to understand core web vital. What are the core web vitals? So when you go for any interview also, some people ask what are the core web vitals. So in order to, you need to tell exactly what core web vital and how it is impacting. So we will go in detail what is this core web vital and how to resolve these things. First thing is LCP, what we call LCP. The full form is largest contentful paint. So what is largest contentful paint? So here we'll click on this. When you click on this, we will get a lot of information about this metric. Okay, so we call it as a metric. So this metric is the, we will go in detail. Okay, so what is this largest contentful paint? So here it is saying that what are the big images. For example, this is a website, we have done the technical issue. Okay, so which is the having the biggest element in website, which is the biggest element. Whatever we are seeing, biggest element is this is completely image. Okay, they have put the image. So this is the, while opening website, big image will take some time. Okay, so this is the image we are getting the problem for. Because of this, my website loading very slow. Okay, this is the creating an impact. Okay, so what it is saying, so it is a stable core web vital. So it is saying that largest image or text block visible in the viewport related to the navigate the page. So what I said is this one. Whatever you're seeing, the this image or largest image or some kind of element. Some will put the images. Some websites will put the form. Some websites will put the videos as well. So which are the causing the problem while loading the website? That is called the largest element. So here the website, a lot of website will have the largest contentful paint is LCP is images only. So 90% are the images only will cause the problem while loading. Okay. So what exactly we need to do with this? Okay. So we need to understand the score of the LCP also. What is the score? Score is the, Google has given some score to each images. So what it's saying, good, needs to improve, and poor. When the website is opening below 2.5 seconds, the image below 2.5 seconds, that is considered good. Okay, if the image, largest image is opening in between 2.5 to 4, needs to be improved. And if it is opening above 4 seconds, it is considered the poor. Okay, so we need to see the our page speed insights. So here it is saying that it is opening in 4 seconds. Okay, these are the 4 seconds. So in order to go below 2.5 seconds, what exactly we need to do? So what exactly we need to do? So we need to see some points to be considered here. We'll see how to do this, how to break down or how to reduce the loading time. Okay, so here saying that image is the one thing. So here sometimes images are considered to be most of the issues. Sometimes some images may be animated. Okay, here this website is not animated, they have put simply that. So sometimes some images are animated. Animated means sometimes like this it will scroll, or sometimes the website comes from either side, left side, top or bottom. some animated images they will put in order to give the effect to the user. So if those effects are given, those will cause the loading problems. Okay. So those may be GIFs or animated PNG. So what you need to tell to the customer is, or web developer, don't put any animations or GIFs or animated PNGs. It will cause the loading problem. And elements inside SVG element. So some kind of a SVG element also they will put. This SVG element is what? SVG element is nothing but it is a kind of a format in the uh, image. So image has a different format. One is the JPG format, PNG format, SVG format, and other formats. So if SVG element is they have put, that is also cause the loading problem. So some website also puts the videos. Okay, in that videos, before the video plays, they put the thumbnail also. You know thumbnail. What is thumbnail? So if in order to load that thumbnail or poster image load, it takes lot of time, so that is also creates a problem. Okay, if some websites also put the background images, so some websites put the background. Here we are not able to see the any background images. Some websites also put the background images. Whenever you see the those images, you can get it that those also cause the problems. Okay, and some of the elements causing inline text. Okay, with the element children, it is nothing but it is a CSS type of a issues. Okay, so here some of the formats are they use, those also will may cause the problem. So these are the some problems are there to cause the LCP issues. So whenever you see the website, first thing you need to observe is whether we having the website big image or small image. So we will go to other websites also in order to know something. So we have got Upgrade. Upgrade is another good company. They also put the images. Okay, they we have the several courses. Okay, so this is the website of the Upgrade. So here they have put the simple image. Okay, this is half image only. Apart from they have put the form. Okay, here whenever you click on this, you can select these courses and you can explore more information from here. Okay, so apart from courses, they have put the all the informations. Okay, so what are the courses they are dealing with? Okay, this is fine. Whenever you are opening Upgrade, so you can able to see this is the image. Okay, we will open another website also, simply learn. Okay, so this is the website. So here you see the Simply Learn. This also EduTech company. They having a lot of courses on their basket. So they also providing a lot of information. Okay. So here also you can see the big element, that is the image. Okay, and here also they put the YouTube video. Whenever I click on this, I can go to the YouTube video. Okay, so here you can see the how it is loading. It is loading very slow. Okay. So like this some issues may happen. Okay, apart from that we have background is image. One is the image we are getting. Okay, so these are the issues. Okay, so these are the largest element we have got. Okay, some website may put the bigger images, some website put the smaller images, some website may put the loads sorry videos. Okay, so whichever they will put, we have to analyze and we have to tell that. So don't put these big images. If you put also, you have to clear off the LCP issues. What exactly we need to do? So if website is okay, anyway they have uploaded the bigger image, we can't do anything. Okay, right now what we can do, so we need to check the image. What you need to do? Check the image. So how to check the image? So we need to go to the source code. Okay. So how to see the source code? Simply Control U. So plus Control U. Okay. So you will go to the source code and we will know what exactly this image is all about. So simply you can go right click also you can give. So here right click. I'm not able to see here. Okay. So Control U. Here I can go to the Control U. I can see the like this is the source code of the website. Okay, how the website is formed. Okay, so what is this image? This is the image. So I will search for this image. How I search? I will search like this. Okay, so here I can see the this image. What is this? Is the inquiry image and arrows. So we are not able to see them correctly. So these are the images. So we will see what exactly is this image. This is the image. We are not bothered of this image. So we will see the other image. So this is the icon. So I can't see any icon. Okay. I will leave this one. Another chatbot. So I need to check the images like this. So this is also I can't see. Last is this is the logo, complete logo. So I can't see this images. This is the image. Okay. So these are the images. Maximum. What happened is I can't see this image. They have hided these images, so we can hide the images also with the code because they have done in the React JS. This website is made of React JS. So because of React JS, I can't see some of the images. Okay. So if you are in company, you can see the things. Okay, which are the images they have placed. So we are in outside the company, we can't see the image. What happened is we need to check the source of the image. For example, if my website is some abc.com, okay, I put one image one. Okay, so like this, I will put the image one. Image one will be my format will be, for example, image.jpg. Okay, they will save in the JPG form or some images may be in PNG form. They save in the PNG form. Okay. So what exactly you need to do is you need to convert to the WebP pages. Okay. Simple image.webp. Okay. You have to make this image. We are not changing the image, we are changing the format of the image. We have convert whether it might be JPG or PNG, we have to convert to WebP. What is WebP is all about? WebP is nothing but it is another format of the image where the format will be less. Okay, the image will be, for example, memory. Okay, when you go to the property, the size of the image. So for example, image one, image.jpg saves, when it saves it maybe 300 KB. Okay, So image dot png might be 400 KB. Okay. So if if this page, this image or this image when it loaded, it takes lot of time because it is having a big memory. Okay. So what Google is saying that you have your images should be size should be less than 100. Image size less than 100 KB. Okay. So if your images are less than 1 KB, so your website can be loaded in the below 5 seconds. But what happened? Our images are in 1 if they have put the PNG that is a 400 or 300. Okay, how to reduce? Simply I can reduce by using this WebP. So WebP, if you convert this JPG to WebP, it might be gone for 150K. Okay, simply it can be reduced more than 50 to 60% of the size of the image. That is memory size. I'm saying the memory size, not the exact the width and length of the size. Okay, so I'm saying the memory size. So with the help of this, what I can reduce my this loading time. Okay, so if it is loading in 8.3 seconds, I can go for only 6 seconds. I can also reduce this image by using some image optimized tools also. We have in whenever you type in the Google, you will find that some. Okay. So in Google also, I'll found some image optimizing tools. While using this image optimizing tools also, I can reduce more things. After putting my image JPG, sorry, web, if it is 150 KB, I can reduce to further 50% of using the image optimizing tool. If I use the image optimize tool, it might reduce to 75 KB only. Okay. So with like this, we will use in the this technique will we use in the real time. Okay, whenever we see the images, big images, LCP kind of issue we are facing, we'll check the format of the image. If it is in a JPG or PNG, we'll convert to the WebP, and if again we see that more than 100 KB, okay, we will further reduce to the below 100. So what are the image optimizing tools? So we have many image optimized tools. Okay, you can simply type in the image optimized tools in the online. So you will see the some of the Optimzilla is also there, Tiny PNG is also there. So you can convert to the. So here it is also saying that compress PNG, WP or JPG files. So simply you need to click on this. So whatever the pages are there, you can go and drop in here up to 20 images you can drop and you can reduce those sizes maximum 5 MB each. Okay, so it is considered whatever it might be. So up to 20 images you can upload it and you can reduce that images at a time. Okay, so these are the images you need to log in and you can do the process. Okay, so who will do? If you are not able to do it, you can. If you have a graphic designer in your in your company, you tell graphic designer to send to convert into WebP, and again you convert into send this tiny png also he only converts to the further and send to the developer. Okay, like this we will send to the developer. Then developer what he will do, we have reduced to the 75 kb. This image will be uploaded in the website. So whenever it will be uploaded in the website, so below 100 kb, our website will be loaded fast. Okay, like this we will use the image optimizing tools. If this is about the images, if it is in a video also, we will use the same thing, image optimizing tools. Okay. Okay. So like this. Okay. So this is all about LCP. If you're facing any kind of LCP issues, so you need to do this kind of techniques and you apply in the real time. Okay. So what exactly you need to do? You make sure that it should come below 2.5 seconds after putting that image in the website, and again you need to go to the Google and go to the page insights, and here you have to put your URL and again analyze. Like this, you have to reduce to the 2.5 seconds. Then, if it is 2.5 seconds, then issues will be solved and your LCP issues also will solve. If LCP issues are solved, your loading your website loads very fast below 5 seconds. Okay. So next is what? Next is called interaction to paint. Next paint. So what is interaction to next paint? So here it's also saying what exactly is all about. It is about the stability of your website. How page is whenever it is loading the website, how responsive it is. So how responsive, how I can know. Okay. So for example, here they have given the example also. So sometimes we have the so many questions in the website, FAQs, what we call it, FAQs in the website. So whenever you are clicking on this FAQs, it is not loading. Okay, it is here you can click on this, it is not able to load. So these are the problems we face in the interactivity. So what is interactivity? So I click on this question, I want the answer, but I am not able to open because some issues are beyond there. That is called poor responsiveness. So whenever the website is getting this poor responsiveness, we need to identify where exactly it is forming, and we need to get that solution. So you need to send to this developer saying that we are having the poor responses. So you need to check the all the buttons, not only question and answers. We have the lot of other things also. We'll calculate, and we have lot of buttons in the website. Every button you have to select it. How interactive is our website is all about. Okay, so interaction. If you go for this interaction, and you can get your load very fast. Okay, your website can be loaded very fast. Okay, so we'll check our website how interaction is. So here our website is far better. So whatever the button, whatever the question answers are there, it is opening very fast. So there is no issue at all. If you find any issue, you have to solve this. This is about desktop. We will see the mobile. If we are having any issue, yes, in here I can have the some issues I'm facing here. Okay, some issues where exactly I am getting those issues. So you can see some issues. Okay, so here where are the issues are there, the Google is also saying some points. Okay, first, how many seconds it should be open? So it should open below 200 milliseconds. Okay, that is considered be good. There is no problem at all in your responsiveness or interaction of the website. Okay, 200 to 500 seconds, that is fine. Okay, warning signal is given, that is also fine. So beyond that, it is poor. We have to be very fast. We have to resolve this issue. Otherwise, what happened? It is not only poor response. Lot of people, users also not getting the correct information. They can go to other website instead of getting our website. They are going to other website means we are losing the customer. So in order to get that customer, what we need to do is below 200 seconds. So what are the causes of this problem? So here you see the simple things. Where are the points to consider? We will see. So 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 here where exactly the problems appears. So you need to go here. Okay. So we have lot of buttons. Not only the only question answers, but we have the buttons. What are these buttons? So this is a button. Okay, this is a button. Okay, this is also button. Okay, this is a button. This is a button. This is a button. This is also button. So this is also buttons. This also all considered as a button. So we don't know where the problem is. Google is not given the problem. Okay, 2.5 milliseconds where exactly problem lies. So what exactly we need to do? We need to test each button. Okay, so you need to go to your mobile phone and test. Here you can't test here, so I am showing in the desktop. So whenever you find this kind of problem, what you need to do, you have to load your website in the mobile and check. Okay, you have to go to this free trial whether it is opening very fast or not. Okay, so it is opening fast, that is no problem at all. Okay, so again I'm going to the this button. Okay, contact us button. So here also I'm opening fine, this is also fine. This, when I click on this, I'm loading fast, this is also good. Okay, so once again I will open the website, close the website. So here once again I will open. So by course is also opening perfectly, and login button I will click on, that is also opening, there is no issue at all. So you need to check like everything, so where the we are causing the problem. So this is also I'm getting the not a problem. Okay, so like this I can check the all the buttons. Once again I'll go to the website. So here I can see the all the buttons. After submitting these questions also, I need to check. Okay, like this I will click on this button also. I'm opening this page. If where exactly problem lies, if you check in the mobile, you will find the problem. So though that problem you need to resolve. So you better check with the help, take the help of the developer. uh, you can resolve this solution very fastly. Okay, this is a problem you are getting. Okay, first is large LCP is all about, it is about the image, big images. Okay, how to solve these images? You have to optimize the imaging tools or web pages. Second is what is INP? INP is all about interaction. Okay, interaction means how many buttons are there in the website, how fast it is opening, how slow it is opening. If it is considered very slow opening, then you have to resolve immediately. Okay, then comes to the cumulative layout shift. So what is this cumulative layout shift? Okay, so whenever I click on this, it is saying that visual stability. Okay, CLS is nothing but full form is cumulative layout shift. What exactly is cumulative layout shift? So it is all about visual stability. So what is visual stability, we will go in detail. Okay, so here also we are giving some things. Okay, so here actually whenever you are clicking on this also getting a problem. Okay, so we have another option also. So layout shift consider the how website is opening. Okay, so all website is consists of different layouts. For example, we'll go to the website. This is my website. I'll close this one. So this is my website. Okay, so my website is consists of different layouts. So what are this layout? So this is big image is one layout. Okay, after this is the complete content is one element. Okay, sorry, layout. This is another layout. Okay, whichever you are seeing, this is another layout. Okay, this is another layout. Okay, so website is consists of layouts. Layout is nothing but sections also, we can say. So each website has a different section. This is a image section, we can say. This is another kind of contents and icon kind of a images. This is one section. This is another section. In this section also we have further subsections also. This is one subsection. This is another subsection. So website is all about layouts and sections and subsections. So it is all about how your sections and subsections are loading. Okay, whenever your website is loading on the browser, how fast it is loading. So we will see any problems are there or not. So simply I am refreshing on this, reloading in this website. So you only see, so I'm reloading the website. Now the website is open. So here I'm seeing the one layout, another layout, another layout. So initially my website should open these images. Okay, but I am opening, taking some time to load. So first layout, which layout I am seeing, footer layout. Okay, this layout I am seeing first. Later on, I am seeing this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Lastly, it is opening this one, this one. So it is taking lot of time. I am refreshing once again, so you will see. So I'm loading this one. So first footer, this one, this layout. After this one, it is load. It is taking some time. Okay. So first, so this is the form. Lastly, it is opening. Okay. So it is taking some time actually. This is called layout shifts. Layout shift is nothing but, so what is happening? First, this layout is we are able to see. After this layout, it is pushing down. Okay, second layout is opening, so I am able to see this layout. So what happened, another layout is loaded up, so it is pushed down. Okay, it is pushed down. Now I can able to see, lastly I can able to see this layout. Simply whichever the layout you are able to see, it is pushing down. Okay, that is called CLS, cumulative layout shift. Okay, so here also it is considered some of the time. So what is the exact time? So we have three parameters. One is good, needs to improvement, and poor. So what is considered to be good? So 0. milliseconds. Okay, 0.1 to 0.25. It considered warning signals needs to be improved 5. So if it is considered going for poor, your website is in the problem. You need to resolve immediately. Okay, whenever you are going in the poor section, you have to resolve immediately. Got it? Okay. So we'll see exactly where my problem is. Okay. Here, this is the page. So INP I can see here. I can go for poor. My website is in the core section. 1 meter. Okay. So this is all about cumulative layout shift. How fast it should open. So it should open in the 2.5 seconds, but it is opening how much? It is taking 1.88. So we need to resolve it fast. Okay. So how to resolve this we will see. Okay. Here also some techniques they have given. We will go that kind of score. So what is the score? Actually, this is the shift score. So what is the happening layout shift happening? Okay. So shift score is equal to impact fraction into distance fraction. So actually, we are not that much technically sound in the web technologies. So these are the fractions or what are the impact fraction, what is the distance fraction, this all deals only developer. Okay, so you can see what exactly is this. Here also they have given the example also. Here also see this is the layout shift. Okay, so whenever you see the issues, these are the layout shift is happening. So first it is opening like this, slowly it is getting down, and if any layout is above there it goes down like that also. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to minimize, take the distance fraction and impact fraction. So this is the impact fraction. Okay, and distance fraction is this one. So by this they will calculate what is the impact they are getting, and distance fraction they will reduce that fraction, and your LCP will resolve. So this is a too technical, so you not need not to be go in that way. So simply you have to tell to your developer, yeah, minimize these kind of issues, resolve these issues, he will be resolving. Okay, like this, these are the some of the another example of the CLS. Okay, so first the content is loaded. Here also content loaded. So middle of that it be link, it is loaded, it is loaded slowly. So this is creating a impact. Okay, so these are the kind of issues we are able to get it. Okay, so how to resolve this? This is all about this person, the developer will be resolving. Okay, so one thing you need to know what exactly the issues are all about. So whenever you go for any interview, they will ask what is CLS. CLS is nothing but stability. Okay, it is all about stability of the website layout issues. We will come across whatever the layout issues comes, we will send to the developers, so he will resolve that issues. What is INP? INP is all about interaction of the website, and it should be open below 200 seconds or okay 100 seconds, whatever it might. Okay, what is LCP? It is the largest content pane. This is a bigger images will be there in the websites. We need to resolve with the images by using WebP formats or any image optimization tools. We can resolve the issues. Okay, these are the main three kind of, these three are very important for Web 4 Vital. So whenever you go for interview, they will ask for only Web 4 Vital. So you need to have this knowledge, and other elements also there, other metrics also there. What is FCP? FCP is nothing but first contentful paint, means what first FCP is all about. We'll click on this. So this is the load, which is the first page is loading. Okay, you can see the example here. So initially it is opening. This is a website is opening first element, which is the first element opening. So here the menu is opening first element. Later on it is opening like this. So like this, if it is anything is opening or it is remains the blank, that is called FCP. So how fast it is opening, so that is considered to be LCP, FCP, sorry. So here we can see the 2 seconds. So here our website also you can see. So FCP, you can see this is the FCP actually. So FCP is opening this. Okay, it is trying to load the images. So some issues are there, so you can resolve with that issues. Okay. So what is next one is what is this first input delay. So what is first input delay? So first input delay is also kind of an interactivity of the website. Okay. So what is interactivity? Initially we have seen the INP also. This is the one and the same. Okay, so one and the same, why I'm saying is it is also deals the interactive of the website. But here the only the concern is INP goes for the all the buttons in the website. For example, whenever you go to the website, INP deals all the buttons. Buttons means these are the buttons. These buttons, these buttons, these buttons. These are all considered to be the buttons. Whenever you are clicking on these buttons, you need to see the all buttons are working. Okay, if not, if one button is also not working, that is INP issue. So what is a FID? So for example, if a user is clicking on this button, whether it is opening or not, okay, that is considered to be FID, first button. Okay, whichever the most of the users are clicking on the buttons, that is considered to be FID. Okay, so that is the main things we need to consider. Okay, so that is a FID. And time to first byte. So time to first byte means how much fast it is opening, which content is opening, whether content is opening a menu or it is opening, how much time it is taking to open this content. Okay, here we are able to see the content like footer kind of content, how much time it is taking. So that is called time to first byte. So nobody will ask this time to first byte. They will ask about LCB, INP, CLS. Okay. So you need to be very closely. You need to see which are the considerations, and you need to answer accordingly. So what you need to try to answer is what exactly LCB and how fast it should be open. So if you do these kind of things, then you will be very safe. Okay. So as a you are a very fresher, so all companies also will consider that is not a problem for you. So you need to resolve all these kind of issue. Nobody will think on that way, because every company has a manager or TLs. Everybody will be there. Initially, you need to be cautious, so you need to have some knowledge. Okay, otherwise what they will see, you will not have any knowledge, then they will issues may be raised. Okay, so this is all about page speed insights, and this is a tool of Google. Okay, so we have another tool also, that is called GT Metrics. So GT Metrics is another metric. This is also see the website performance test. Okay, here also lot of people will take this as a consideration also. Some people go for GT metrics only, some people go for page load only. So some people go both the things also. Okay, so whichever the things are same kind of issues, you will get it. Okay, so you need to resolve these things. Okay, so we will check the GT metrics also. This is another tool of the from other company. This is not a Google company. This is a GT Metrics is another company. Okay. So what you need to do, you have to copy the URL and analyze. So it takes some time. Okay. So now we got some information. So in the interview also they will ask which is the other what are the tools you use for page insights or loading technical SEO. You can tell GT metrics and page insights. Okay. These are the two tools used by many companies. 90% companies they use only these tools. Okay. So here also you can see same kind of performance, but they have given the grading differently. So LCP is also saying 8.5 seconds and LCP. These are the things. So metrics may be different, but the issues are three. Here also you can see LCP, TBT, and CLS. So here you can see how your visualization, TBT, and speed. Okay, how fast it is opening, how it is taking time. So fully loaded is 17.5 seconds. Okay, so it is giving the issues also, how to resolve the issues also. So you can see the what are the issues you are facing. Okay, these are the issues you are facing for this website. Top issues you have to resolve immediately. So everything is there given the here. Okay, so these are all images issues we are facing. A lot of images are in the JPG. Okay, so this is PNG, JPG, PNG, JPG. So what you need to do, you have to replace with the another format is WebP. Okay, we have WebP format. You have to go with, you have to go to this format. You have to make it. Again you need to change to image optimize to, and your performance may reduce. Okay,
Compress, no, sir?
I didn't get you.
Com- compress, no?
Yes, image compression please. Okay, so like this you can see the these are the issues. Okay, so whichever the things are there, you can see this is the CLS issues they are facing out. Okay, where exactly section which CLS issues you are getting. These are the sections you are facing. Okay, got it. So LCP issues is this one. This big web images. Okay, Mahavir Jayanti offer we have. So this image we are getting the problem. Okay, so this image. Okay. Okay, so you need to resolve these issues. Okay, like this you can create a different things. Okay, so send to the developer and resolve. This is another tool you can use. So this is all issues. This is regarding FCP issues. This is the LCP issues, and this is the TBT issues and CLS issues. Okay, so all you have to send to the developer, and he will be resolving the issues. After resolving the issues, you have to again check and analyze the things, and you will be getting better. And once I'm sorry, after resolving these issues, again we will get it. The issues are not, yes, it will get it. For example, after 3 months, what happened? The company will be not be seen. Okay, so now they have Mahavir Jayanti. They have put this image. After the Mahavir Jayanti, what they will put? They will put another image. Okay, so sometimes they will change these images also. Sometimes they change the layouts also. Okay, the company will be not in the same format, the same layout they will be not using. So sometimes they feel that this form should be put here. This should be come down, or they want to give some more weightage. For example, now they are the partners are these. Sometimes they have another companies will come. Okay, so they want to add that companies also. So what happened? Again the layout may be changed. After changing, again you need to check, and again sometimes same issues may happen. Okay, you need to resolve. Okay, so like this you have to be continuously working with the technical SEO also. It is not that once we have resolved, it is resolved permanently. It will be not like that. Then that's again the issues will be come back. Okay, Sometimes it's the same issues may come, sometimes different issues. Whatever the issues are there, you have to check with the developer and you have to resolve the issues. So this is all about Web Vital. Tomorrow we will go for actually structured data. What is all structured data is all about, and we will go in detail how to put that structured data. Okay. So tomorrow is a Sunday holiday, and we will go for next class, that is Monday. On Monday we will meet again. Okay. So I will send this recording classes also. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, or otherwise, okay, we'll leave the class. Okay. Any doubts?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, everybody.